Hey there, glad to see you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an FAQ or a fact dropdown or what we call a collapsible FAQ. So all you have to do is just install an app. Do not forget that you can actually manually add your FAQ, but it's much easier to add just the app. So go to your left-handed panel here, click on the four squares that says Add Apps, and from the Add Apps, just type in FAQ. Now, once you do that, just click on search. Now here you get many apps for FAQ. What we want, which is the free one and most, let's say, dynamic one, is the Wix FAQ. So here, just click on this app, Wix FAQ. You can just type in Wix FAQ from the beginning as you like, and then add it to your site. Now, once it's added to your site, we're just going to customize it and show you how it works a little bit. Now here is my Wix FAQ. As you can see, FAQ is just frequently asked questions. It's just an abbreviation of that. Here I'm going to show you how to add a few questions and answers. Also, you can drag this wherever you want. You can also add a section or just a separate page for this. So all you have to do is click on it, and then once you click on it, you get this mini taskbar above it where you have Manage FAQ and Settings. Now from the Manage FAQ here, you can change or add the questions and the answers, and from here you can change the design. I'm gonna go through both of these. I'm gonna click first on Manage FAQ and show you how to add them. Now you get, once you do that, you get this dashboard. Once you get this dashboard, here you can see the categories of the FAQ. I'm just going to create a new one. So here you can create a separate FAQ, or you can just create a category. Now I want to create a category. Let's call it online classes or something like that. So here is my category. You can add shipping, you can add whatever works for your website. Now here is my online classes. Now we're gonna add a few questions to that. So here we're gonna click on Add FAQ. I have a few questions here. So for example, do I get a certificate after completing the course? I'm gonna copy it and then paste it right here. And then I have the answer, yes, a certificate will be given or will be available. And then click on paste. And here you can assign this FAQ to a category. So here, do not forget that you can just add any FAQ and then assign it to any category. You can add images, a lot of options. And then click on save. And then I'm gonna add another question. So here, click on add new. I'm gonna show you how to add just a separate FAQ and then assign it to a category. So here we have another question. I'm just gonna copy and paste everything here. So here, paste, and then copy again. So we have the course materials and paste. Now here is our FAQ. I'm gonna go back to my page. As you can see here, for the online class, for the online classes, we have two questions and we have their answers. You can choose to preview it and change it or edit it however you want it to be. And then we're gonna leave. And usually you need to refresh your page in order to get your new category, or you can just, usually, as you can see, it takes a few seconds for it to show. So here are your different categories. We have online classes, general, and setting up FAQs. For the online classes, you can, here is your collapsible FAQ. We're gonna click on settings and then change the layout and the design a little bit. So here for the main, you have manage FAQs. You have the display, for example, the title and search. You can have the title and search. They can look for the question that they want. Here, you can add the FAQ and category. You can choose what's displayed. If you want the category to be displayed, you have the expand behavior, like open one answer at a time. So whatever you want your website to be. You also have the button for the social sharing. You also have here the layout. You can choose the layout, the category placement, and many options. Here from the design, I want to change the background color. So here we have header and background and questions and answers. So for the header background, I want to change it to a darker color, let's say this color. And then I want to change the text. Since the background is in a dark color, I'm going to change this one to a light one. So like this. And for the category as well, As you can see, you can change plenty of options. Here you can change also the questions and answers. So here we have also the link color, you have the icon and many things. This is how you set up a collapsible FAQ or a drop down. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.